Hello everyone, this is Rima Darden, founder and creative director of Irony Home. Welcome to our new video. Today we're going to share how we set up a dreamy tablescape for Irony Home's favorite real housewife of Dubai, Caroline Stanberry, and her housewarming party. We'll take you through our process of creating this stylish, sophisticated tablescape settings that sets the mood for her evening full of laughter, joy, and beauty at her new home in the heart of Dubai. This is one of our many collaborations with Caroline. After I added Irony Home magic to her wedding in 2021 and had the pleasure of creating the perfect fairy tale Christmas setup in her home with our festive decorations. The Caballo's home has an elegant look and feel with a dash of unique charm, and I wanted the tablescape for their housewarming to embody the very spirit. Our primary colors for the setup were brilliant shades of fuchsia with elements of white and black. So our team got to work by first installing these beautiful paper lanterns that are also available on our website in their many shapes and sizes. We then built the table and set the placemats to check the placement of the chairs and of the flower vases that were going to be the star of the show. With a little bit more planning, we were ready to lay the white tablecloth over our table to start the setup. Next came the placemats. We went with our Capiz shell zebra print placemat that would add the extravagant look to this simple and elegant table. Following, the blush tones for our wine glasses and adding these beautiful on-theme table napkins. Since the party was going to start in the evening, we added some tea lights with glass holders along the length of the table on either side, and we placed our beautiful tea light cabinet by the poolside. And right in time, 22 gorgeous fresh flower arrangements were delivered to our doorstep. We started placing these beautiful flower vases along the table in a straight line. Caroline and Sergio stepped out to a lovely surprise of this beautiful table setting and couldn't help but fall in love with the fresh flowers and the perfect setup. And just like that, it was almost time for the guests to start arriving. After some final finishing touches, it was time to light the candles and welcome the guests to a beautiful housewarming party. Thank you so much for joining us today. Let us know in the comments below if you liked our table setting. And for any products featured in the video, check our website and link in the description below. Take care and see you in our next video.